Tension in Nur Shams refugee camp in Tulkarm city, where heavy clashes took place all across the camp, leaving more than 10 Palestinians killed and tens injured today in an ongoing invasion by the Israeli troops.
British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak visited Israel on Thursday following trips made by US President Joe Biden, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz, and several other Western leaders earlier this week. Sunak reaffirmed his support to Israel, calling now the darkest hour of the country. He also welcomed the decision to allow humanitarian aid to enter Gaza from Egypt, vowing to provide more aid to the region.
Hundreds of Israelis have returned home from Turkey after Israel issued a travel warning for its citizens visiting the country. The travel warning was raised to the highest level due to terrorist threats against Israelis. Egyptian President el-Sisi and King Abdullah II of Jordan have condemned Israel's policy of collective punishment against Palestinians in Gaza after a closed-door meeting on Thursday.